What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Jones Outdoors. In today's video, we're doing camping in a tiny house during the blizzard, so let's do this. So we have a winter storm advisory for tonight, 8 to 13 inches of snow. So should be, I already got snow on my face. Okay, everybody, we're in a tiny house. It's probably about 60 degrees in here right now. That's the warmest it's gonna get with this heater I have. It's only gonna get cooler in here tonight. Heater should keep up, shouldn't get below 50 in here. So it won't be too cold, but snow's coming down hard. So I guess we're gonna see how much we really get. It's supposed to 8 to 13 inches, so yeah. It is like 7:30. My phone is soaking wet and it's snowy. I've been out here for 1 second. Let me see the exact temperature in here actually. .65, that's pretty good. Well, I can go play games for a little bit. I just point the heater at my legs. Kind of warms this little area. Here's my little gaming setup area. Well, I use the PS5 for most gaming. There's my sleeping area. And yeah. Okay, everybody, well, I'm gonna go to bed. I watch YouTube for a little bit on the TV, but I'm blinding myself with this light instead of turning on my real lights. I'm in a t-shirt right now. It's probably probably still at least 60 in here. Probably get a little colder in the night, but besides how much snow there is in the morning, I'm not really excited. But yeah, so catch you guys in the morning.
Well, I guess I'm gonna go outside and see how much snow there is. It's morning now, so yeah. Nice amount of snow out there. Definitely got some snow and it is not done coming down. Oh my gosh, it is deep. That is really deep. Look at this. That is deep. Well, I hope everybody enjoyed the video. Make sure to subscribe and I'll catch you on the next one.